Actually, maybe first I'll
All
do the
kinds of
dishwasher.
stuff.
We can reload.
A bowls, a plates.
Yes, plates and bowls, and they're all clean. So I'm going to put them away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I use the plates. Lucy plates and Lucy plates.
Yes, Lucy's plates and Lucy's silverware. Look at your spoons.
It's a silverware. Lucy's silverware.
Yeah, Lucy's silverware. Do you want to help?
Yeah.
Can you pull your silverware out and give it to Grandpa and he'll put it away?
Yeah.
Good. Very good.
Thank you, Lucy.
Listen.
Oh, actually, I shouldn't do it while I'm in the way over here.
Sure, that's okay.
Drawers over here.
Yeah.
I wasn't thinking that through very clearly. This is dirty, honey, so if you put them in there.
Oh.
Here, why don't you pull out the yellow bowl here?
Oh, yeah.
Did anybody know where Ryan went?
No.
No.
What's he doing?
This is
Oh,
Grandpa.
well, don't, yeah,
Yeah.
because your dad is going to do the recycling.
Yes,
and
I
stuff.
assigned him that, yes.
Yes, he said that.
Ryan, what are you doing?
Ooh.
You can chill. If you're on the couch, that's fine.
There was an insert, so that wasn't.
That's fine. I just make sure we're doing work.
We're here to help, Ryan.
No, I'm glad, no, like you're not running around on your feet.
Help?
You're
You need
chilling
help?
up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. That's hard to get
That's
out,
out.
isn't it? It gets stuck.
Yeah, but then I want
Thank
you to take it
you.
easy today. I don't want
Yeah,
you to have
Grandpa.
you want to continue to get better.
Help.
Yeah, I do that in 6 months.
Sounds good. All right.
Thank you.
Just waiting for you to get them out of the dryer. Then you might try to do a little yoga today.
Ooh. Okay, got it.
Matchbox.
Yes, you ready for the silverware
Thank you.
now? Here,
Yes.
I'm gonna. You can give me the silverware because I've got the drawer here. Thank you. Your spoon.
This is the matchbox.
Yes.
This is a matchbox.
What's that spoon? Yes.
This is a Grandpa.
Knife.
Knife.
Knife. This one? Does that one come out?
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
It's a fork.
You are.
There's a fork,
It's a
yeah.
fork.
You are such a good helper, Lou.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Get over on that
That's
side.
good. Get over there. I just don't want to hit your head with this drawer.
We'll close the door and just stack the silverware
Okay,
on top.
good idea. Thank you. What's that? What's that?
A knife.
Knife, right. Knife, sharp knife, isn't it?
Knife.
Knife.
Is this a knife?
That's a knife.
This a knife.
That's a knife.
Sorry. It's a knife.
What's that?
It's a fork.
A fork.
That's a fork too.
There's a fork too.
That's a fork too.
What's that?
That's a knife.
Yes.
That's a knife.
What's that?
This is a shop.
Oh, put that over there. Okay.
This is a shop.
Oops, I don't
Oops.
think it goes down there. We have to pull it out of there. That's funny, isn't it?
Can you reach it?
That's a funny place for that spoon.
That's kind of hard to
You
help.
need some help? Okay, let's see here. That is hard to get it out of there, isn't it? Here we go. Whoops. Here. There.
Like this with this.
That's part of the dishwasher. That's where the water comes out to wash the dishes.
Ma?
More water? Oh, it only comes out when the door is closed. We have to close the door, then the water comes out. We can't see the water.
Look, because it's a ladder.
Yes, yes, because otherwise the water would be all over the floor.
No.
Oh, no,
Yes, we
we
don't
don't want that.
do we?
And
We don't want that.
it come out.
Yep, would come out. Yeah.
That's why there's the door.
And get on the
Water
floor.
stays inside.
Yes. Stays inside the door.
I see a door and a DD.
Yeah. And it cleans the dishes. The water cleans the
A
dishes.
KDD.
Yeah.
And the dog is a KDD.
Uh-huh.
It's a name. and this
Okay,
is
let me
a-
take that one because that's really sharp. That one's
Oh,
really
yes, the
sharp.
really sharp ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
So what else can you take? Oh, here it goes again. It's hard to reach through that stuff.
Oh,
Help? Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard,
Hard to
isn't it?
get that.
I need to pull it.
Oh, you like putting it down there, don't you? Is that fun?
Oh, I'll show you a trick. Close. Watch, Lucy. push this in. Push this in. And look at how easy it is to get your spoon down.
Look at that! Wow, that's
and now we
great.
can pull it back out.
Again.
Yes,
Yeah,
you can do it again.
again.
Sure. Will it go down? How do you get it down?
There you
There
go.
you go. And
Yes.
then you can pick it up. Good job. Again, yes.
That's fun.
You can try it all different ways.
Just close the door. Well, you have to close the door, then you have to turn it on, and then the water goes. But we're not going to turn it on now.
Not right now. Right now we have to take the other clean
Clean
dishes out first.
So we'll open it again, okay?
Let's wipe your nose. Can you wipe your nose a little?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you. Let me see. There's just a little bit over here. Good job, Lou. Thanks.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Can you hand me the rest of these silverware? And I'll put them in the drawer?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Daddy home.
Daddy help?
Daddy's going to sit on the couch and fold laundry.
Because Daddy's foot hurts
Because
still.
Daddy's foot is still hurting. But it's getting a little... Yeah, Daddy still has...
Oh, there's another spoon. How do you...
1, 2.
Ooh.
1, 2 spoons. That's right.
2 spoons down
1,
there.
2 spoons.
Again.
Again? Yes.
Yeah, it's hard to get them out underneath there, isn't it? Oops. There we go.
You've got it figured out. You know.
Boom.
Woo! There they go.
Down.
They fell down.
It fell down. Fell down.
Now they came up. Now they fell down.
Yeah, it's tough to get it down underneath there, isn't it? Sometimes. Get it through that little hole. There you go.
When it come out. When it come out.
Oh, get the spoons first.
Yeah, because the spoons will fall into the other part, and they'll be really hard to get.
That gravity. Okay.
Hey!
Okay. Got it.
When it come out.
Yes, you got them out.
Yeah.
I just like that.
Want to put them on the top? Okay. We can pull some other things out of here, too. Can I empty this first?
Yeah.
I'll empty this before you close the door. Okay?
I close the door.